Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you guys are having a great Friday the 13th. I started off this morning doing 13 exercises for a full hour. So we had to do 13 different exercises for 13 minutes, and it kicked my butt. So I hope you guys are having a great day, and let's do something outside today. It's a beautiful day. Okay, so I hope you guys can get out there and enjoy it. Some highlights from this week. We worked on the periodic table this week, especially looking at trying to find the number of protons, neutrons, and electrons. Remember, the protons and neutrons are in the nucleus. The electrons are outside of the nucleus. And we can find the number of protons, neutrons, and electrons by looking at the atomic number. So the atomic number is the smaller of the two numbers that equals the number of protons. In a neutral atom, that'll also equal the number of electrons. And then to find the number of neutrons, we take the atomic mass minus the atomic number. And you guys got really good at that this week when we were doing our element cards. The last thing that we talked about this week were valence electrons, and we especially looked at how electrons fill in energy levels or shells. If you guys remember, the first shell will hold 2 electrons, then 8, then 8, then 18, then 32. Okay? And those electrons could travel around kind of anywhere within those energy levels or those shells. And the outermost shell is called the valence shell, and the electrons in that shell are called the valence electrons. So the number of valence electrons we then plotted on the electron dot diagrams. And remember, the key thing about the electron dot diagrams, you put 1 electron on every side of the symbol before you go back and pair the electrons. That's just a little quick review of what we did this week. Remember, the element cards are worth 100 points. So if you weren't in class to complete it, you need to finish that up. It's 100 points. So that's big. Okay. We also worked on the science notebook. So if you didn't finish that, today is a good time to finish that. Those of you guys that I had in class yesterday, so on Thursday, we did the periodic table or the review of the periodic table. I had to link the videos to that. So there's a separate document that has the videos linked. So you should be able to go back and complete that. Sorry, that was a little fiasco the other day. And then retake the atomic structure quiz number 1 if you want to improve your score there, and then submit any missing work from unit 2. Okay, so hopefully you guys have 1 through 3 already done, or at least mostly done. And so then you can really focus on retaking the quiz. Remember, you can always use resources on those quizzes. So use your resources. Look up terms that you don't know what they mean. Hey, don't just guess. Hey, your quizzes are super important. They're 40% of your grade. Okay, so take some time to do that. And then you can always use the atomic structure Quizlet if you want some extra practice with the vocabulary. That's it, guys. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you Monday. Don't forget to check the Drake Deets to get information about what the schedule is going to look like on Monday. Okay? All right. Have a fantastic weekend.